Hello friends, this video is regarding electronic voting machine, that is EVM. This voting machine, as you all know, is used during the elections to vote for the different political parties, different candidates. In this machine, people enter the voting booth and will press the button in front of the party or the candidate which they want to elect. For example, if a person wants to vote for the Indian National Congress, he or she will go and press the button in front of it, and the buzzer beeps and LED glows, so the vote gets registered for the Indian National Congress. In this machine, the registration is not possible. The registration of the votes goes to some other machine. Here only the switching process is available. So the main components of this EVM are: first is the battery. There are two cells, 1.5 volt each, which are connected in series, so a battery is formed of 3 volts. Second, this is a switch. The purpose of the switch is to connect the two terminals, to short the two terminals. When we press the switch, the voltage at this terminal gets into the other terminal and then reaches the all other devices. Then this is the buzzer. Buzzer had two terminals. When we supply voltage, the voltage range is from 1.5 volt to 12 volt for this buzzer. When we supply voltage, the buzzer sounds. Then we come to these devices. These are LEDs. LEDs are basically light emitting diodes. These are available in different colors and have two terminals. One is positive and one is negative. When the positive terminal is connected to the battery positive and the negative terminal is connected to the battery negative, the particular LED will glow. And here under this we have connected micro switches. Micro switches are basically very small switches, much smaller than this switch. So we will explain the connection briefly. Here you can see two colored wires. One is the black wire and the other one is the orange wire. You can also use the red wire. Black represents the negative terminal and the red represents the positive terminal. Here we have another device. This is a semiconductor. This is known as a diode. This diode is basically a device which conducts only in one direction. It is used to stop the voltage flowing in reverse direction. For example, here the voltage will flow from like this, from upper to lower. It will not allow the voltage to go backward. We have connected these diodes also. So you can see this is a LED, and all the upper legs of the LEDs are connected together and they are connected to the negative terminal of the battery. See, this is the negative terminal, and all the LEDs are upper terminal of the LED are connected, and they are connected directly to the battery. So we have got this thing that one terminal of the LED is getting the negative. Now to glow this LED, we require the positive voltage to reach to this other terminal. Here in these there are switches, 5 switches, 1 2 3 4 5, and you can see all the upper legs of the switches are connected together. All the upper legs are connected together, and this upper leg is going directly to the battery terminal through the switch. So when the voltage comes from the switch, the main switch here, and the voltage comes through this main switch to the upper terminal, and when we press the switch, the voltage enters into the lower terminal of the switch, and from this lower terminal it reaches to the other leg of the LED. So whenever a switch is pressed, the voltage will go from this switch to this LED, and now the LED will already having the negative supply and positive supply is reached, so the LED glows. And so the LED glows. Now you can see another device here. This is the resistance. Resistance is used in electronic circuits to drop the voltage, or you can say to reduce the current flowing. This LED shows the power on, so this LED will remain on all the time. In order to limit a current into the LED so that the battery will stay longer, we use a resistance. Negative terminal of this battery is directly connected to the negative terminal of this negative terminal. LED is connected to the battery directly, and the positive is going through this resistance, getting limited current. Now we come to this diode. The function of the diode I have already explained. So when this is the buzzer, the negative terminal of the buzzer is directly connected, and the positive terminal of the buzzer is connected through this diode. Here all the diodes are connected together. The voltage will flow in one direction only and reach to the buzzer. So this is also important. So I think you all have understood the basic construction of this electronic voting machine, that is the EVM. We are supplying this EVM module. So you can purchase this ready-made module from us, or you can get the unassembled kit, or even you can purchase the individual components from us, like the micro switches, LEDs, etc. The link is provided in the video itself. So friends, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.